In this tutorial, you'll learn how to submit an article through PageMajik's article submission portal. It's a simple, guided process that takes just minutes. First, click the submission link from your publisher's portal or email invitation. This takes you directly to the article submission page. Click the Submit Articles button in the top right corner to begin. No login required. The submission process has 4 simple steps. Read the guidelines, upload your files, provide article details, review and submit. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. Read the submission guidelines. These instructions remain accessible throughout in a separate tab. Click Next at the bottom right, or jump directly to any step using the navigation bar on top. Step 2. Upload your files. Upload your manuscript in the manuscript Dropbox. The system automatically classifies it as main file. Add any supporting files like images in the Other Files Dropbox. You can see the upload in progress. Progress bar color changes to green once the upload is complete. Watch as the system intelligently identifies the file type for every upload. The list of classifications is fully configurable. Administrators can define the list of file types and mark specific ones as mandatory. Mandatory file types will be indicated with a red asterisk. In this case, there is just one mandatory file type. Upload the cover letter PDF. Note that the system initially classifies it as Others. If you click on Proceed Now, the system will send an alert about missing mandatory file. You can manually change the classification using the drop-down here. In this case, to cover letter. Before continuing to the next step, select the article type from the drop-down menu and fill in your name and email address. Click Proceed. Now, what happens in the background? When you click the Proceed button, the system performs several automated actions: virus scan, metadata extraction, technical validation. It validates everything: structure, word count, language, references. Image files are also validated against specifications. File indexing to make it searchable and discoverable. Filing it under the appropriate folder in the document management system. Sets folder and file permissions. Workflow assignment. You can see the progress of each major step as shown here. Step 3. Provide article details. On the left is a manifest showing the files uploaded and a checklist of all metadata fields. On the right, you will see that automatically extracted data is already populated. Any mandatory field is indicated with an asterisk. After updating all mandatory information, click Proceed. A confirmation pop-up appears. Click on the OK button to proceed to the next step, which is Review and Submit. You will see a complete list of all uploaded files with their classifications. The system automatically audits images for resolution and size requirements. If issues are detected, you'll see a warning. You have 2 options. Use the Auto Fix feature to correct issues automatically, or resubmit a corrected file. If you choose to submit with warnings, the system displays an alert to confirm your decision. You can choose to override the warning by clicking Submit anyway. The system redirects you to your dashboard, where you can track your submission status. You will receive an acknowledgement email with a link to your dashboard, which you can access at any time. And that's it. Your article has been submitted successfully.